for choosing us at 5. I'm Katie Rammel. Lori Daybell, already convicted of killing 2 of her kids in Idaho, is now on trial here in Arizona. She's accused of plotting to murder her estranged husband, Charles Vallow, months earlier. ABC 15's Ashley Holden live outside the courthouse for us. And Ashley, opening statements set quite the tone today.
Yeah, Lori Daybell emotional as she described that day that her 4th husband, Charles Vallow, was shot and killed. She walked people through that July 2019 day as she remembered it, telling jurors her daughter Tylee and her brother Alex Cox jumped in to defend her during an argument with Vallow. Cox would eventually shoot Vallow twice, killing him in what Daybell described as self-defense. Daybell's opening statements lasting about 17 minutes, starting most of her sentences by saying the evidence will show, describing this not as a crime, but as a family tragedy. Meanwhile, prosecution spoke for around 45 minutes, carefully laying out a timeline, accusing Daybell and Cox of planning the murder of Vallow, so Daybell could collect life insurance money and start a life with Daybell's now 5th husband under the guise of religion and doomsday beliefs.
The evidence will show that after this struggle on the ground between Charles and Alex, that Charles prevailed with the bat and began to come towards me with the bat as I ran away from him into the kitchen. Self-defense is not a crime. A family tragedy is not a crime.
As we go through this trial, you will see photos of Charles's injury, photos of the crime scene, and hear testimony that will prove that this was not self-defense.
Now, Cox died from apparent natural causes months later in 2019. Prosecution alleged he spent time staging the scene before calling 911. Now, we also saw the state call 3 witnesses to the stand, 2 Chandler police officers who walked the jury through their response on body cam and also described the demeanor of Cox and also Daybell, describing Cox as seeming calm when they responded to that scene, the shooting death of Charles Vallow. Now, court wrapped up today with that Chandler firefighter up on the stand, and that's how court will resume tomorrow. Katie?
So, Ashley, I have to ask, what was it like to have Daybell standing there cross-examining the witnesses? So essentially asking them about herself.
There were a lot of objections from the prosecution, and there were times that they told her she was asking hearsay questions. We also saw her struggling at times to ask those questions, and at times, I want to say, we talked about her being emotional during opening statements, but she did not seem emotional during cross-examinations, at times making jokes. But like I said, sometimes she was struggling to make a point, struggling to have the line of questioning go in some sort of direction. Back to you.
Yeah, what you would see with a seasoned lawyer there. Ashley, thank you. I know you'll be on this each day for us. Every day the trial is going on, you can also watch it from wherever you are. ABC 15 streaming it live. You can watch it on abc15.com or through our app on your favorite streaming platform.